Okay, so we had this product sent to us to test out and review. This is a 10-foot by 10-foot canopy. So from the description and what the company told me, this is supposed to be easily set up. So I'm going to actually do that right here so you can actually see the canopy fully set up. Once we get it all set up, I'll actually go do a walk around and show you exactly what it looks like and give you my opinion on the product. Okay, so we got this thing just unzipped and we're going to take a look at it. First thing we're going to see when we open this up is the canopy itself is in a plastic bag, so we're going to have to open that up. They do also provide you with these sandbags that you can fill up. They believe they have Velcro right here. Yep, you can put sand, rocks, whatever you want in them, and these bags are actually to help support it in like windy situations. But it does also come with all of the tent stakes that you need to actually stake this out and get it more secure. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we got it set up, and yes, one person can set it up. You just saw me basically do it by myself. It took me a little bit because I had to realize exactly what I had to do. I tried to make it go taller before I went underneath it and actually pushed up on the centerpiece, which locks in up there. So if you keep it in the low position, just go underneath it, push it up, lock it into place, and then you can actually lower the legs and actually get it to the complete height. But as you can see, it's tall enough. I can't reach the top of that canopy without a footstool or something. So it does have several different height adjustments on the legs, so you can make it lower, higher, or whatever suits your fancy in this particular situation. This canopy works so far. It's going to work really good. As you can see, it's got all the little Velcro straps in place. We'll just have to start adjusting those. And right here on this side right here, this is where you actually are going to mount your rope for your stakeouts if you're in a windy area. If it's not windy, I put stakes in the ground right there at the feet. So like today, it's not that windy, so I shouldn't have to worry about it. But yeah, so far, I like the way this is set up. And you'll notice right here, this is something you don't see a lot of on different types of canopies. This little area of the canopy top is reinforced because this is where a joint is. So any wind blowing would cause this to wear out before it would mess up the canopy. So they did think about that because those are on every single one of the joints to prevent wear. So that's actually a good thing that they thought about. Up here in these corners, each one of these corners has Velcro straps to keep these corners in place. And again, that's for windy or inclement conditions and stuff where you have to worry about wind and stuff that's going to be whipping this around. I've got stakes right now holding it in place, and it's going to work great for that. So yeah, is this something that I would recommend? Absolutely. This is a very well-built canopy. It looks like all the joints that are up in here are made of a heavy-duty plastic material, so you shouldn't have to worry too much about that breaking. I'm sure the company actually has replacement parts if you ever need them. You'd have to reach out to them to find out. But yeah, so far I'm digging the way that this canopy looks. It's got a good feel to it. Let's look at it from outside. A tree right there. And you can see that's what it looks like outside. Another fire pit set up over there, so might have to actually sit out underneath this evening and just enjoy the weather. So yeah, this is what we've got so far. I would recommend this. I like the fact that also up there the top has venting to let airflow circulate through. So yes, this is something that I would recommend.